So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important job opportunity for 2024, 2025 as well as 2026 pass out batch. So friends, first important hiring from the PwC, they are hiring for the role of specialist 3 and job location is Gurugram. So this is the important job description and all those things. So I will provide a complete job link in the description. You can check your skills and all those things, and freshers are eligible for this. So you can clearly see here graduation degree required and prefer knowledge that you should have strong analytical skill and MA and PA and Power BI knowledge. So if you are interested, then you can apply for this important job opportunity. Coming to next important opportunity from the Amazon, they are hiring for the role of transportation representative, Amazon Freight EN. So this is the role for the India, that is the EN based, and these be your roles and responsibility and qualification requirement that you should be graduation in any specialization from recognized university. So either from BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, means you should just graduate, then you are eligible for this, and you should have knowledge of Microsoft Outlook, Windows, and Word. And preferred qualification is this, so you should have great communication skill and all those things, and you will get various perks and benefits for this. Friends, we have already launched the series related to NQT, and we have already covered more than 50 plus questions. So if you are the TCS NQT aspirant or either cognizant or other company aspirant, then I suggest must go through or follow this series. I have already provided free preparation material in my WhatsApp Telegram group, so if you are interested, you can join. And best of luck to the candidates who have exam further and for further upcoming opportunities. So coming to next important opportunity from the Jhonson Control, they are hiring for the role of IT Tech Support Analyst, and this is a full-time role and job location is Maharashtra. So earlier I have already provided up to that, and some of them are commenting that job link is expired. So finally the link is open again, and you can apply for this. Okay, so education requirement is any bachelor degree, and if you have some experience, then only you should apply. Okay, for freshers, no need to worry. I have also come with the freshers too. So they are hiring for IT and non-IT recruiter to meet the requirement of LTIMindtree. So this is the job location from the LTIMindtree. So if you have knowledge or if you are fresher, then also you can apply for this role. And remember, this is non-tech job. Okay, so they are hiring for the recruiter, means you will work as HR or other things. So you can just send your detail to him, and this is official person of LTIMindtree. So if you are interested, you can share this to him. Coming to next important hiring from the HCLTech, and I already provided you update related to HCLTech in the previous video that they are hiring for 2026-2025 graduates. So if you haven't gone through that video, then you can go through it. Now this is the different hiring, okay, and this is a walk-in recruitment drive at HCLTech Noida, Saturday 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. 14th March. They are hiring for the role of service desk IT support specialist, and this is one of the wonderful role. I will suggest everyone should apply. Coming to last important opportunity from the PepsiCo, they are hiring for the role of associate manager and job location is Hyderabad. So job function is finance, and these are the things you have to do. Okay, so who are eligible for this? You should have MBA, CA or CMA or any degree in finance. So finance background is mandatory for this. For instance, if you have come here for the, can I say, mm, if you have come here for the technical job, then no need to worry. I've already posted a lot of important job opportunity from the Cognizant, Amazon, so you can refer to all those videos. And here also there are some technical, and we'll actually our viewer are from all over the background. That's why I'm also providing you the job related to finance and all those things. Okay, so keep learning and keep growing. And if you have any query, feel free to DM me. Soon NQT exam will happen. So yeah, now shift your focus to your basically exam, okay, especially coding part and aptitude, which is critical, which will play a critical role in your selection. So best of luck to all the candidates for the exam. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.